Today, I am reviewing the Zodiac MX6 suction side in-ground pool cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have ever spent your Saturday morning standing by the pool with a manual vacuum pull, you know exactly how exhausting it is to chase down every leaf and patch of dirt. I have been using the Zodiac MX6 in my own pool for a few months now, and I finally have a clear picture of whether this thing is actually a labor-saving tool or just another piece of plastic that ends up stuck in a corner. If you are looking for the current price or want to see the specific listings, you can check the links below the video, but keep watching to see if this is actually the right move for your specific pool setup. The first thing you notice about the MX6 is that it is surprisingly compact. A lot of suction side cleaners are these massive, clunky machines that look like they belong in a junkyard, but this one is sleek. When I first dropped it into the water, I was skeptical about whether something this small could actually handle a full-sized in-ground pool. After running it consistently, I can tell you that the size is actually its biggest strength. Because it is compact and uses that cyclonic suction design, it creates a surprising amount of downforce. It stays glued to the floor and the walls much better than the old-school diaphragm cleaners I have used in the past. The X-Trax system is the real deal when it comes to maneuverability. I have a few tricky corners and a slight slope in the shallow end of my pool, and the treads on this unit handle those transitions without flipping over. It does not get stuck on the main drain, which is a massive win because that was the biggest annoyance with my previous cleaner. If you have been dealing with a cleaner that stops every 20 minutes because it hit a wall, the X-Drive navigation on the MX6 is going to feel like a significant upgrade. However, it is not all perfect. The biggest point of frustration for me was the initial setup. The manual makes it look like a plug-and-play experience, but in reality, you have to spend some time fine-tuning the flow control valve. If your pump speed is too high or too low, the cleaner will either move way too fast and miss spots or just sit there spinning its wheels. You really need to take the time to calibrate the flow to your specific pump. If you have a variable speed pump, this is actually a fantastic match, but you have to be willing to fiddle with the settings for the first few days to get it dialed in. You can check the links below to see if your pump setup is compatible, but just know that this is not a product you can just throw in the water and forget about immediately. Another thing to keep in mind is the filtration aspect. Because this is a suction side cleaner, it is only as good as your pool filter. If your filter is clogged or your pump basket is full of debris, the MX6 loses its suction power almost instantly. I found that I had to clean my pump basket twice as often as I did when I was vacuuming manually. It is not necessarily a flaw in the cleaner itself, but it is a reality of how these units work. If you have a lot of trees around your pool and you get heavy leaf litter, the MX6 might struggle with the larger debris. It is great for fine dirt, sand, and small debris, but if you have a massive oak tree dropping giant leaves every day, you might find yourself clearing the hose or the intake port more often than you would like. The build quality feels solid enough for the price point, but it is still plastic. After a few months of heavy sun exposure, it is holding up well, but do not expect it to last a decade without needing a replacement part here or there. One of the main reasons I like this model is that it is very easy to service yourself. If a track wears out or a gear gets jammed, you do not need to be a mechanical engineer to pop it open and fix it. That is a huge plus for someone like me who prefers to avoid expensive service calls whenever possible. Who is this for? I think the MX6 is perfect for the pool owner who wants an automated solution but does not want to spend $2,000 on a fancy robotic cleaner that requires its own power supply. It is efficient, it is quiet, and it does a very thorough job of covering the floor and the walls. If you have a pool with a standard shape and you are tired of manual vacuuming, this is going to save you hours of work every month. You can find the current pricing and more details by checking the links below the video. On the other hand, who should avoid it? If you have a massive pool with very deep ends or complex shapes, you might find that the hose length included is not quite enough, or that the navigation pattern takes too long to cover the entire surface area. Also, if you are the type of person who expects zero maintenance, this is not the product for you. You have to monitor the flow, you have to keep your pump baskets clean, and you have to pull it out of the pool every now and then to clear out any debris that got stuck in the intake. It is a tool, not a magic wand. Ultimately, the Zodiac MX6 sits in a sweet spot. It is not the cheapest cleaner on the market, but it performs significantly better than the bargain bin units that constantly get stuck. It strikes a good balance between suction power, navigation intelligence, and price. I have been genuinely happy with how much cleaner my pool floor looks compared to when I was doing it by hand, and the fact that it runs off my existing pump system without needing extra electricity is a big bonus for my utility bill. If you are ready to stop spending your weekends with a vacuum pull, this is a very practical, effective upgrade for your pool maintenance routine. Just remember to spend that extra hour during the first week to get the flow rate perfect for your pool, and you'll be in good shape.